Hey guys, Terry with Computer Pro. This is another kind of non-IT related video, but I'm kind of a pseudo knife collector. And for the last, well, probably 6 months, I've been rocking a razor blade foldable knife, which got pretty popular recently. They're pretty handy because you can, they stay sharp by just switching out blades. And I have an Exceed Designs TI, I think it's called. It's basically like a stone washed. It has ceramic bearings. It's incredibly smooth. Amazing knife, right? It's modeled after, or there's another famous one like this. It's pretty expensive. These are really good price. This is about maybe 70 to 80 bucks. I believe you can even get them on Amazon now. And it's a really simple design. It's toolless. You can kind of bend this over and then pull the blade out, switch it, or change the blade. And just the operation is very smooth. It doesn't have any sharp edges. It's really nice. In your pocket, it's very small, as you can see. The clip is sturdy. Everything's great. Everybody knows about these that are into knives, and they know how nice this is. Well, the person that either owns it or runs it, I'm not sure the guy's name, but wow, serial number 094. They came out with, apparently this is called an Avair, M390 titanium, and I got the one with bead blasted titanium and skiff bearings, so a little upgrade. So I'm kind of excited for this. A lot of the knife community has been waiting for this to come out because these knives are really, really, really nice. So, because there's times when I still miss a regular blade. I mean, for opening boxes and doing your daily, like opening stuff, this is very, very nice, right? But there's times where you just want an actual knife versus just a foldable razor blade. So we'll do an unboxing. I just got this in. It's not opened at all yet. So we'll see what it takes to get this guy open. Nice packaging. Everything, you ever notice, most things are packaged really nice nowadays. I think Apple started that, didn't they? But, nice box, beautiful labeling. Open it up here, and ooh, the presentation is good. Inside the top, it looks like there's some stickers or something in here that is, almost need a knife to get it out. It's very flat. Some stickers, nice, okay. I actually love stickers, I really do. Put them on different things, like my toolboxes. Hey, there's a sticker of my razor blade. That's pretty cool. ExceedDesigns.com. Their logo, and the Razor M. It's just I think their non-foldable version of that. It looks like there's some more in here too. Fat fingers, if I can get them out. It's really tight. Sorry, guys and girls. Let me see here. I'm going to use my razor blade to actually kind of get these out. Ooh, and there's the new Avair sticker. Look at that. Nice, 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 nice. Attention to detail. Authenticity, certificate of authenticity. It's a bead blasted. The blade is M390 steel, skiff bearings. Build number 094. Quality control built by Toby 21924. I hope Toby did a good job. I'm sure he did. This company is known for pretty quality stuff. And they give you some extra stuff. I'm not sure what it is yet, but you have a little wrench to take it apart. You've got some extra screws, it looks like, or something. And the design, you can tell it's very, ooh, I like it. It's a good size. God, it's beautiful. Look at that. The design is beautiful. Strikingly similar to their folding knife. A little bit larger, as far as thickness. I mean, it's pretty thin. Oh, look at the clip. It's a deep carry clip. Look how far that's gonna carry, how deep in the pocket. That is really nice. And the same kind of liner lock, it looks like. I believe that's called a liner lock, but let's see. Oh my God. It is so smooth. Holy catoli. Like, I barely moved my finger across it. I mean, this here is smooth, but you have to, like, you have to press it, right? This, I was just moving my finger across and it just opens. It's very, very smooth. Matter of fact, if I press this out, it's extremely smooth. Wow. Holy cow, out of the gate, it's that smooth. That feels, is it centered? Look at that, it's beautiful job. Wow, I really like it. Locks up, feels great. It's a good size. Yeah. Came pretty sharp. The blade design, it's kind of it's like its own thing. I really like the look of it, that's for sure. I think it's M390 steel. Yeah, so that is pretty much the unboxing. I'm not gonna take all these little doodads out, but I'll dig in the manual and find out what they are, but it does come with a little wrench. It comes with some extra little things, tiny little things, little screws here. And I'm not sure what this is for. I know on the Razor version, or the Razor Blade version, they had like it came with, you could take this little lanyard hole thing off and replace it with like a pry bar so you could open things with it. I just never did that. It's still in the box, but anyway, yeah, so I'm not sure what this is, or if I'll have to look it up, but it's got, looks like some kind of bearing type thing or pivot screw type deal. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So nice case, nice packaging, certificate of authenticity with it, which is a really cool touch. And the knife itself, which is really, really, really nice. Wow, it is so smooth. It really is. I don't think I don't have any super, super high-end knives. I've got mainly Benchmades. I think I had a Chris Reeves flipper at one point. I have some Spyderco's and, a few oddball knives like that. So I'm not deep into it, but I'm into quality things to carry, like a quality carry knife. Not so much collectible, but something to carry every day. I don't think I had one out of the box that literally, without being broke in, was this smooth. This is amazingly smooth. Obviously you can't feel it over YouTube, how smooth this is, but very light pressure. And wow, it's amazingly smooth. Makes you want to just sit here and flip this all night. Wow. Anyways, so that is their new knife, the Avair, I'm guessing is how you say it. And size-wise, it is that size compared to their Tirant Razor, famous knife. The thickness, it's almost like the the Razor blade knife is thicker. It is a little bit. It's pretty thin. Very, very, very nice pocket knife. The clip is going to be a very deep carry, as you can see, compared to the Razor version. Blade centered perfectly. But that's the size comparison. It comes in black and different finishes, obviously. I like this, the stone wash. That's what I got. Also, you could get the gimping or the laser etching to give it more grip. I like the feel of this. Anything I carry daily in my pocket. I have a Benchmade bone collector. That's a beautiful knife. That's probably the second smoothest opening. This is number one. This is extremely smooth out of the box. The Benchmade is, my bone collector is probably the second, as far as I have, is most smooth opening. but it's got walnut handles and they're beautiful, but it has these grooves cut in it. And when you take it out of your pocket repeatedly, like if you use it for a daily carry and use knife, it kind of tears the pocket up really quick. So these aren't slippery per se. They're very smooth, but they're not like, they don't feel like they're gonna fall out of your hands at all, okay? And why I like these is they go in and out of the pocket super easy, and they don't get stuck. They don't rip your pocket open. That's why I kind of like a smooth knife like that. But anyway, that is the unboxing and the review. And yeah, I'm extremely happy with this guy. Wow. Beautiful knife. So that is it. All right, and for all the guys wondering about, we've been asked about, when we're going to start cranking out the videos again and our installs and so forth. And those will be coming soon. We've been redoing our shop. We got our warehouse area just about done. We're building a podcast room, and we have kind of two podcast areas actually. One in the front at our tech bar, and we're going to dedicate one of the rooms in the back and make it an actual podcast room. So excited about that. We'll be doing interviews and a bunch of stuff related to IT, more on the IT side instead of the knife and unboxing side. These are kind of one-offs, right? But to all those who've reached out and asked about, when are more videos coming and IT-related stuff of our installs and things like that, they will be coming very soon. We're just about done ramping up all that. So, okay.